Welcome back coders, this is Suraj Kelhe. In this video, I will discuss declaration. A declaration names program entity and specifies some or all of its properties. There are four major types of declarations: where, const, type and func. The Go program is stored in one or more files with .go extension. In each file, program begins with package declaration. After that, there will be imports and it will be followed by package level declarations. Just like in this program, we are declaring const boiling f equals to 212. This is a package level declaration, and this element will not only be visible to all of the elements in this file but also to other elements which are belonging to the same package. Here f and c are the local declarations. It means that they are only visible to elements inside this function. Let's run this program. Go run. Okay. This another example. Check it out that we are printing Fahrenheit to Celsius conversions, and here we are declaring a function. Function declarations is followed by func, and after that there is a function name. Then inside there are parameters which are passed by the caller itself, and if there is any return value, here we write the return type in the declaration. After curly braces, function starts and it ends at the another curly brace, and after that the control will be returned to the caller itself. Like here it is calling this function, and after that control will be returned back here. I hope you learned something new in this video. Subscribe for more.